जान्छ हराउँछ परिवार की धर्म की सच्चे दरबार की
Monica, dila malam bulan dulu.
श्री सद्गुरुदेव को चरण कमलमा मेरो नतमस्तक झुकाउँदै So today, on the behalf of 64th birthday of our Sri Guru Maharaj Ji, Sri Satpalji Maharaj, we arrange this program in our Premi Santaji's house. So first of all, I would like to thank to our today's anchor, Miss Rina, for giving me such opportunity to be here on the stage and impart some of my experiences. So before that, once again, I would like to welcome to all our respected Guru Bhakta Premis, all our respected mothers, and our respected CBS President, Mr. Hemlal, and Madam Bhima. So, in regard to that, I also would like to welcome to our guest from Calgary. I don't know the name, so would like to heartily welcome to our Harish Jitu, and also would like to welcome our Canadian ma'am. Sorry for Audrey. So I met you once, right? Yes. Okay. So would like to welcome heartily to all our children, our youngsters from our CBS community. So once again, on behalf of all these Manav Dharma Seva Samiti of Ledbridge, I would like to heartily welcome to all of us to join us to make our Guru Maharaj's 64th birthday a grand, successful, and wonderful one. Thank you so much. So I am also very new, so to say, in this spiritual field. But let me just express and explain how I came to this Manav Dharma Seva Samiti. I was a very young girl, like when I was in refugee camp in Belagi 1. My father, he is a kind of a religious guy. He's still there in Quebec City. I came from Quebec in 2012, so I came to join here in Ledbridge. So my father, as he is still a religious person, he used to guide us in his own way, like what is arati and how we respect to religion and how we should be spiritual, something like that. So as Madam Bhima, she already told that first person, the guru of the kids is the parent. So this is what I really appreciate. Because if my parents wouldn't have been a kind of spiritual person, maybe I wouldn't be in this field now. But as a youngsters, we always would like to play with children and play different kinds of games and sports. But we never, we hardly come to this religious purpose. And what I used to think that, after reaching maybe 50 years, so that will be my time to be a spiritual person. This is what I used to think. But when I came to this spiritual field, that was totally different. I was in Kalimpong College in India. So there, I luckily just get that one of the special occasion, got that one of the special occasion to be there. So when I was there, I just rented the house of one of the premies of from Manav Dharma Seva Samiti. So there, I saw lots of children got involved, like teenagers and small kids too. And I was really impressed. Looking at that, they were really singing very, very nice bhajans. They were really touchy. And also they used to just show lots of skits regarding spiritual knowledge. And also there was one ashram. Baiji used to give satsangs to on every Sunday. So I also used to go there. And then because there were lots of kids, so I was really enjoyed, and I used to enjoy that too. So, and also there is one of the respected Premi who is also a doctor, and his name is Dr. J.P. Agarwal. He always used to give satsang, impressing and encouraging to all the little kids and youngsters. And still today, I'm really impressed by hearing his satsang. He is an Indian guy, but his Nepali is really perfect. And he used to give satsang in Nepali. So, and also in English. As he is a doctor, so he used to give just a satsang comparing about science and spiritual knowledge. So how it goes parallel. So because of his satsang and all the environment of that Kalimpong village, I got really impressed. And I thought that Baiji told me that you are a young girl, but if you come to this Manav Dharma Seva Samiti, maybe you will not lost anything. Instead, you will gain what the spiritual knowledge is and what are the things that you have to do as being human being in this world. So I thought myself, nobody encouraged me, nobody impressed me or enforced me to come here, but it is my choice that I came here as I was guided by my parents from my childhood. When I just grew up, I thought that it is my right time. Now if I do late, maybe I'm gonna lose lots of things in my life. This is what I thought, and I just came to this Manav Dharma Seva Samiti. And once I came and experienced lots of things, though I could not be what I had to be, but still I'm trying my best to be a real and to be a real human being in life. I don't mean to say that you are not doing anything. But the spiritual knowledge is really a knowledge that it is really guiding you, whatever you do and whatever you don't do. So this is what I have experienced in my life. So I also would like to just express these that if you haven't experienced this knowledge, just come to the feet of Maharaji and then just say what I have to do. There are lots of satsangs in YouTube too. So, and we have our own website like from Guru Darovar. So today too, there was a celebration of Maharaji's birthday in Haridwar yesterday and today. So it was really wonderful. So I don't mean that you have to come, but let us think why we come here in this world and what we need to do and what is the purpose of coming to this world being as a human being. As it is said that human being is the social being, the topmost being of all other beings. So what I would like to say is that let us try to be a good human being according to this spiritual knowledge. So only Guru Maharaji is there to impart this spiritual knowledge. So there are 4 techniques of getting of experience in this knowledge. So it is also says that in Bible too, there are what is the holy name and what is the divine light. So all these things we really experience in our life. So what we believe is that before we die from this world, we know that we are mortal human being. We are not immortal human being. Before we die, let us experience why we come to this world. So let me not prolong my speech. Because I am not a great giving such a kind of spiritual speech, but as the request from our today's encore, I am here. So whatever it comes from my mouth, if whatever things I couldn't express or whatever things I spoke are not the real one or not the truth one, hope Maharaji will give excuse, and I hope you will all understand what the spiritual knowledge is. So at last but not the least, so let us try to experience in this mortal being as a mortal being. Before we die, let us experience what the knowledge is and what the spiritual knowledge is. So there are different kinds of knowledge in this world. As already Madam and Sir told that we need teachers to get education. We know that, but we also know that to get math education, we have to go to the math teacher. To get English education, English knowledge, we have to go to the English teacher. Or as like history and other things, we have to go to the teacher. But to get the spiritual knowledge, that is a spiritual master. So we have to go to the spiritual master and go to his faith in order to get the spiritual knowledge. So I also would like to request all my brothers and sisters, little brothers and sisters. So as it is also says that we have two brains, like right and left brains. So right hemisphere and left hemisphere. When you are little children, our right brain is really activated. This is what the doctor used to say that. So when the right brain is activated, as we also know that the small kids, they always ask lots of questions. Their right brain is really activated. So when we grow older and older, our left brain, which is a logical brain, it tries to give the decisions when we grow, and then the right brain slowly gets dormant. So in order to activate our right brain throughout our life, we have to get this spiritual knowledge. This is what Mahapurus and the saints used to say, and they are saying day and today too. So in order to, and in our Hindu sanskar too, we do Upanayan sanskar. So Upanayan sanskar, what is Upanayan sanskar is? So maybe I can't explain in a good way, but let me try to explain. So when a child reaches at 12th age, we give our parents, they do Upanayan sanskar, and Punitji and Pureji, they give knowledge like something in his ears, but but the child, the boy, never understand what is that knowledge is. So that Upanayan sanskar, like the same way, our Guru Maharaji is giving that knowledge, which is called the spiritual knowledge. So in order to make us, make our brain and make ourselves a real being and a real human being. So let me not go ahead because there are lots of program to do. And once again, I would like to thank our Maharaji to be here in this world in order to impart this knowledge to all the human beings of this Kali Yuga. So let us also beg to Maharaji that let this world be united, free of all this violence and lots of problems of this world. So let us have peace and unity. Let us integrate together and make this world a wonderful one and free of violence, and let us have peace. So hope Maharaji will bless on this on his 64th birthday to all of us to go to follow the right track and to be a good human being. Thank you so much. Prem Lebano Sri Sadguru Maharaj ki jai. Boliye Sri Sadguru Maharaj ki jai.
Lain-lain अगाडि बस्नु सुरु गरिहाल्नु तिम्रो